Welcome back to Radio Entrepreneurs. I'm Jonathan Friedman, and our next guest is Marcia Wagner, founding principal of the Wagner Law Group. Welcome.
Hello, good morning.
So recently you've been involved with a high-profile case.
So I've been involved in so many high-profile cases, but this really was the first one where the judge literally mentioned this firm and me by name in a very positive manner a few times, and I'm grateful and I'm happy. And it does go to show that if you work really hard and take things really seriously and do what you can do with integrity, then it comes through. It really does.
It must be a rather unusual circumstance to have a judge specifically cite somebody who was a witness in the case in their in the decision.
I was an expert witness, or at least in such a positive manner. Again, it was very humbling. I think that I was happy. I think the outcome was the right outcome, and I was very happy to have been part of it as an expert witness. And it was one of the highlights of my career.
So tell us a little bit, expanding upon that. This case involved some Marissa and...
Well, what this law firm has become known for, and it's not this case but many others, is what is fiduciarily prudent, what is mandated effectively by ERISA with respect to committees or people that are fiduciaries with respect to pension benefit plans. What are the procedural elements of due diligence? What is necessary and sufficient conditions to behave in an appropriate manner by which liability won't accrue, whereby a breach of fiduciary duties won't occur. And it was along those lines that I was discussing what I had seen over my career, how it has developed, how it has evolved, and it was important for me on this particular case, but on many others as well, to espouse where I thought the facts led and how that did or did not comport with what ERISA mandates. So being an expert witness is a wonderful type of experience because it means that my experience garnered from over 30 years of practicing law, but also garnered through the interaction I have with the best lawyers in the country who work here really matters to people. And what I say and what I think, and the processes and the protocols and the procedures that I see are duly diligent matter to people. And this, to me, is the most significant part of this and many other cases, that what I think, what I say, what I have observed is meaningful and valuable to people.